Hey everybody! Probably wondering why I have these gloves on. As you probably know, weeding is painstaking work, and I haven't been up to the farm in over 2 weeks. So my garden has been more so taken over by weeds, and I don't think it's humanly possible to pull all those weeds by hand. That's why today I'm going to be testing out acid. This is 45% acetic acid, also known as very concentrated vinegar. With this 45% acetic acid, I'm going to use, seriously, in collaboration with all these tools, I am going to try to desiccate the weeds. Let's begin.
Might be weed killer and acid killing the grass.
Oh. Do you want me to spray it against the house?
You spray it on something that's already dead, not the middle of the yard.
Oh, okay. Okay. We have to start by cleaning our equipment. Because, as my dad just demonstrated, you may not always know what's inside of the equipment. This is very potent and kind of dangerous, so make sure if you're going to do this, use gloves. And don't drink it. 1 part vinegar and 8 parts water. It says add the water first, so I'm going to add some soap into the bottom here. Then I'm going to add water. Now I'm going to add my vinegar. Ooh, it is strong smelling. Oh, don't distract me, butterfly. We're going to put it in my 1 gallon sprayer here. Very carefully. Very carefully. Oh my god, I'm scared. Don't pour too fast. Don't pour too fast. Don't pour too fast. Time to go test it out. And wash my hands. Alrighty, so I just got the solution into the sprayer, and tip from my dad, it's actually better practice to dilute everything within the sprayer and not pour from another container into the sprayer, because now I have contaminants in the bucket, which thanks for the tip. I didn't know that before, so thanks Dad. The next thing we're gonna do is spray. I set up a time-lapse GoPro video so that we can see the progress that I make and hopefully watch the weeds die, which sounds really sadistic, but it's fine. Let's get going. All right. Oh, it's pretty pressurized already. Okay, here we go. Why does the solution work so well? As I said earlier, the acetic acid in the vinegar is used to desiccate, or remove water. The soap helps break down the weed's cuticle and helps the acid stick to the plant. Together, the weed is unable to photosynthesize and dries up. Make sure to watch the thistles in the top left corner to watch this process in real time. I have some good news. These thistles are like crispy. My biggest concern was the thistles, and the acetic acid and soap solution works wonders. It literally is making them so crispy and burnt at the end. I got a good feeling about this. I've done a lot of spraying today, and it has been very successful. It does take a little while for the acid to take effect on the plants, which is all right. We got nothing but time at this point. And one more tip before I go. I just wanted to mention that acetic acid is not pick and choosy. It doesn't just kill weeds. It does affect the plants that you planted from seed. So it is something to be careful with if you decide that you want to use it as a weed killing alternative. It's pretty hot out, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.